Sidi ya ye ka ho asemi sidi abafom e ko for say nye sustainable yentimi sustain sidi kache ase obi a wako parliament pen awunum parliamentary business kwan ya fa so a ye nwe no man ene ade nyina e de pa na ebetimi aya masa economic freedom si aba ama sidi no yetimi sustain sidi na be at least a year ansa na bia move kakra na ya move an a country.
Yo ziga midawase michao echa ehwefo ne tiefo we asefa na nyina sidi esese nyina mpaebo ene ya honde ansa na ebetumi agina ana ekoso emra fam onyangupo ankada senka sidi ni dollar no ensusu ye bi enda entem ye betumi aye adwuma ama 1 cedi is equals to $1. Ni nyina ye dwumaye edwumadin ye enye se edwumadi amika no ukwa akopaibo eno ani se eniema ye hwe se enu na manti na nsusu abeda sidi ni dollar ntem ebi ni se debia usore a na we importim mo mi hwa obetumi adom wo Ghana debia usore a o importi frito ana oil not frito de ye no Ghana o importi oil odi be chinkosu na odi be chi akukọ na enu susu tumi ma se sidi nu na hondi eba fom debia usore a na o importi asichire o se we dey free Brazil we dey free France na asase e wo Brazil no enu bi nsusu na e wo Ghana enti se ye dani ye ni efri sa niam so a ampanyampa enye bibia na ebetumi a produce wo krom hamom ba niam bia etumi twi esika pa ba fom eni niam mabubosu ye importi abro nkabro ebetumi ado ye importi mu nkamu ebetumi ado ye importi anwa nkanwa no ebetumi asichire nka ebetumi enti ziga asembisa obisa me no ansa na sidi betumi agina ne nan so no eye teamwork ekuafo eye omodie aban ehwe ne husu yie ana aban dwumako susu eye omodwuma mi ba mate se woni professor Gachi kasa ba no no oka no poto kasam ntimi dia mi di hye ye krom kasa aye twi se nyina ye nti ase se sidi aiba fomu nenu enye anamoto baako adwuma nkonko aban amanoni emwa eba oka se ena mefo no se samanfo ka se America fo anamoto nti na sidi no eba fom no akoeti se menua ensio emuna ebeto do you get me right?
Yeah.
Na wo ni pipe ewo ukrum uni stream ewo ukrum uni river ewo ukrum jisa wudi chensi akosi abontin anamebo ana jisa wudi chensi akosi abontin ansa na obenya nsuo no enye sa nsuo betumi atosa ba nsuo no jaipe uni nsuo wo wudem those are some of the things ss yenhwe inti se ziga ansa na sidi betumi agina ne nan so no programs aban ediba won se mabubo aduane saa eko ena aban se mi ba beboa ekuafo na yenya nkukọ nkitinkiti mi ba beboa ekuafo na yendo mu mi ba beboa ekuafo na yendo banchi mi ba beboa ekuafo na yendu abe weni nyina esunfa so no ebua ama sidi nu enya honden ba se yesi yendo NDC for na yentinu afom no yendo ye di program bi ba mi nya hwi youth employment mi nya hwi udia nka obetumi asua tailor anka ye produce ye cotton from north Ghana cotton esa peja ye nsa nkoto material free turkey usi udia nya hwi ende umpa ebonu eni mi mpa ebonu ebeye kwa inti ansa na sidi betumi agina ne nan so no eyeye nyina ya nkabom ni anamoto a esese etu edwadefo ka ho ahyenkafo susu ka ho do you get it right and na wono mu ton spare parts ni weni nyina obi aka ho say see the aba from. One will say for the first time Ghana for air catcher ni nua Ghana ni say no see the anya hondi ntinu ti uniama so. Ubisa papa bi say inti sa asem no we na ye ne adi kan esi ya na also in recent times no mfi be ye be say dunu ansida inti ya di fufuro minua sensopa eto a esese nyina ye fa echensi emfa mpie abonten na ntumi hu se edie na ebetumi aye wan se okas chiro se see the eba from say no kabuburu ja ejina homa Ghana no aba from automatically to some extent fanu say nanka unua bi eboga wa send you dollar na wa bobusia $1,000 ewo ni nche we see this year May you the betua time ubobusia no na exchange rate no $1 is equals to 17 cedis enyesa enu ni dollar osi onu no dollar na obeji enyesa it is say no uhia ubetua unia boga no kawa brochire $1,000 no say uko udi 13,000 ekwa na wasisa inti wasanya 4,000 humfa so a unti humfifri ansa na wanya $1,000 no edi ama onua sanso so na etima edwadifo obinum ka se eniama makrabae no mikra no at the time ye exchange dollar to 17 cedis and then uto sanyam yes teteso se senka edru so a infaso a ubenya no fanu se ubenya 15 cedis by uko market se ukosisa dollar nda eye 13 cedis eno so so wunya mfaso enti asema ukasa minto we wie no mpa ucho eya de bro do you get a greediness ti asiese mathematics no aye working then say sa 17 cedis a usisa dollar no ekoton niama no enye no na obesa sisa ena se so no sa $1,000 ukwa abrochire de sa say 10 barrels of chemicals na okotokra usa the 1,000 kon there ubenya 1,000 no but say $1,000 no unya no ebia 12 cedis 50 pesos interdenti na unti sunde eno nti na me faso ada aboso kan for ase say omaka kire say ombe sha ase etiti so eno nti na me faso ada hyenkafo ase say from Saturday no omu ti lorry fare so by 15% we na me ka say see the benya hondi ama wada dwi say afiba akunu nyina no engine sa no nyina na moto
ba honorable nkofo so eno ne aboso kan for mpanifo no bi association mpanifo no bi di na na omo say dollar ne di abafom but ukwa bia mabe amasesa dollar kakra bi na me makwa kofa no mameba the port charges ne de tia ne tie eti se port charges no remain the same as ababe shem eti se mesesa na dollar na abafom no na afi makwa kofa no ma na me de ba na port charges ne wosra na there's no need say metete me no ma so
adikai omadibim but you say uko porter ye charge you say cedis cra ye charge you in dollars enyeza you lose dollar convertibility in this say sa dollar ye the convertibility no ukosisa cra na abafo that is what we should know. We should tell ourselves the truth. Minim say aban eba be bibi afa port charges no because ye pese yen cranium enfambo memu inti there is one window eyo mudi asisomo ye but misusu misafo mo so say aban onye ntem na udru porta hosusu no wona omu fa niam ba no omu nsa kakra no mu yi nyame aye say de aban papa abedru port. So I think they are right, but they should also do something. And before the government comes no ye wo gide say looking at the economics, mathematics and accounting, they can do something. Say no musikaye. And I hear bompa say aban, the Minister of Transport, the Minister of Trade and Industry, all the stakeholders who are affecting the activities of the port. No, omuye ziga debia me catch say. Mumaye buo man no na Ghana ni enye ye. Do you get it right? Yeah. We should be rich in our home. We should be rich. We should be happy. We should develop. Enu de magiatum. But ansana enije bebano. You cannot have freedom without war. Do you get it right? you must fight to get peace. You must fight to get freedom. Sa fight no enye tuo buba nko asem na ye kan. Se ubeka say okay, mami njai we manenka na Ghana ni oba beto wo mi nchen susu otumi nkombra because they say small profit, quick returns. Yeah. That is what we should be looking at. It is time and the greatest opportunity for us today to reset and build this country. Let all of us understand that, say, Omanu na ye build enye political party. We should build a nation, not political party. It should not be in our head, say, ye build the NDC, ye build the MPP, ye build the Afrofranto. No, it should be in our head that we have a nation before we have individuals that join a political party.
Yeah, I like that.
And
I like that.
Yes, and so we must put all our effort inside. And until I made Daniel Kwasi Ashiamah say, in 2028, we NDC are not going into contest with Baumia's videos or his lectures. We must go into contest with good governance and with how happy Ghanaians are.
Nobody will be interested in that.
No. How happy Ghanaians are. Me who abrantia bi was social media. Oko jomu ko kachre edwadi forma say dollar ba from muntisu. We are not doing a political campaign, but sa branche nankasa ho say no niema koye wo memu. So what must we all do? We must share the responsibility. Let us share the pain a bit and let us share the joy a bit. I think that is the way we can sustain this city. And let the Bank of Ghana, Senator Mampenyi Kayenu, should not, under any circumstances, print money to the government the way Addison did to Nanado. Ye can MPP fund tiansie. Those of us who did the economy, you say, Adia Addison, any Nanado bopo ayo menu, omadi ewu. Because for 2 years you've printed 77 billion ediama. Time now inflation has shooted to 54%. Ejwadinu onye die. They have killed the economy, and today they still have the mouth talking. Ziga say MPP for kranu oman ferry organize a press conference. Bisa omo say sa time omuti akonja so na nyame ni ho ndenu Ghana force yenda nyame ase na sa time MPP ni na do ti akonja so na nyame no watu kwan akohin abonsam nkwa na beka krum ha se Ghana ni aye djuma esevu sika se odi hwe ne hu ni nkokra mre so abanya mbo number no wakoji ayiro magio musika
Kessben 92
ayiro magio musika amanfo awu amanfo ntumi ntwadro na MPP for no they don't know that they have done harm to Ghanaians. No, that time has to come to an end, and that era must stop, and it has stopped now. And near His Excellency ni Ghana ni nyina yesese no enu na misro biase mumma yemfa ya hondi enfantechre minua omusi World Bank project bi wo ho a omusi duakube coconut virgin oil no virgin coconut oil no na yenye no wo krom ha oil yellow aye kwa akofa no wo kwa akohu bebi aye process no unim niam aye di France na aye pro yenim o eno ani se yedia na ya fa ye tofi na ye ninam krum na ya fa yare virgin coconut oil one kasa duawo de coconut akosa na mu friend say kube na ye ntwi emu oil ye ntwi emu aduanu di ye oil no na mbrantie no susu nye djuma. That is how we expand the economy. Let us plant the palm trees. Senior Unilever eye. I'm sure you know the story of Trifopraso and there is another one in the western region. Omudia palm plantation. That is where we get the palm oil to get our fried oil. We can do more. We can do for the what? The Commander Sugar Factory. Emrantenu yenfa yenkwa fom na yenkwa ye juma. Na yendu ahwedie na yenya kakra na ye yasichire ye nuanom o makwa university akọ ani asuapon no no monko gina factory omun gina munai so no mon produce sugar na yendi wo krom ha, same as the rice growing areas. That these are the things ye betumi aye ye betumi ada ho na ho akase o sidi de se de ebe gina saa akonfimi enu miensa. But your finance minister Fufro, Honorable Atufosi, or Sheyebo, with the Bank of Ghana governor say, send ya yesi hu Ghana economy no, ye be jine musa, muma ye mbompae. But I say, omuka se ye be jine musa, esese wusu fa wa hondi, enfamra. Uko tonyama, men fa bwani nkosro, ena se nti, mi wa eye bua payo wa unim se, asema o kachire customer ba beto ade no enye nukre ba wo pe o profit nti no o ena se lorry fe ni bua ye di ena se ade no pe unya enu nti mesre Ghana for we must all put our hands on deck to
Kessben,
ensure Ghana move forward in a positive direction. In a positive direction like lawyer.
Okay. Honorable Wakasapa more than but my membusa the last question now main lawyer hold quickly.
Yeah.
Me say for that
lawyer.
Yeah, honorable lawyer Kessben Swabe Kayensa representing New Patriotic Party. Now we can be say ye can the import driven economy. Me say the bia ye ka say kwan ye be fa so a ye be sustain ye sidi no. I sidi no be ho ye den no. The bia semo ya kana import driven economy, the bia normal ye kra no edoso sen de ye exporting it sa normal ni na. Na ye kan ya wo de sa suggestion yi be. Memisa wo. Do we have the political way to do that? Because the minim ni say de bia no your politicians ni bia enko form finance political parties.
Yes.
Ebi wo hono mo a ebi okofa anwa de ba, obi kofa mo de ba. Ene bia ye kasa yi enko kwanketenkiti aba. Eba ye ama Ghana ene kosuabo aba fam ama akokobo aba fam. Ba 400 metric tons na ye kwa krade ba no. Na ka bia eswati. So de bi chi. But obi kokra enkoko force edeba. Why political financier? Yamani quota be say, sa quota we na kabia, kona koko fabra. But then nam say on interest. And so financial party into yentimin country and shan say, or smesi. Say no, you say the enkoko ni ya koko force libya. Because enkoko ketinkiti project na ba. Ama say na enkoko baby abefa biano. Yenye bitone buana ba fom. Yentimin kasa de ne franche nipa no. Ni a jano na still ano okokra de ba no okokra de ba toothpaste ebikura ye bi wa ha na still obi a political financier a political party financier ni a jano no okokra de yentimi mo mu quota
minya nia ewo mu ni se ukokra nkukon nkitinkiti a habo na ewi nkukon nkitikiti a na Ghana for enya Ghana for na ewi ntinu sankrofo no ye mpanyufo political financiers omo hia should I say addition or education? Nia ewo muni say am produce to a certain level or quantity which is sustainable to supply consumers to eat, then you can never rule out an importer.
Yeah, I'm talking about where buyer.
The government. Oh yes.
Sending the okay. Ni na ye ba hon pa.
Enu na make say uko me call honorable Rikopoko office. Office hokra menyanko hokra makobe 5 times.
I see.
So the programs that are coming no aban ebwani ho wa sha se nyema they've listed those who are going to handle various programs. Enunti na debia mi boda wo say fa ho fa gym. Enti say to me sponsor Ghana for amoma produce chicken to a certain level cra importer no we can dress it in this country na fa ko gu coastal. Enya one na be release the consumers no money ama wanya osika. That is the way we should look at it. So also there are contractors who come from foreign countries omusi road. Now the government is saying that let us give the roads contracts no. Yemfama Ghana for no muye. The implication there will be that we are no more going to sign any dollar contract with the contractor who will be bringing money, foreign direct investor or the dollar ediba into who sign a contract mu jinu dollar now ziga fanu say who road construction papers who qualify say by ekwan na abai ma contractor uni abai kwa koka dollar okrum ha you will be talking about cedi. So these are some of the things SSA abai say no kind obie kwan so okase obie kwan every Ghanaian to have that opportunity. The poultry farmer should have that opportunity to produce. There are hotels right now who don't have the chicken, so they look up to the importer. So the production is the issue. As I say, producing. Look at even ginger. Do you know that ginger has short in this country? I'm one for framing. Some catch say Utiriji, area no Buem, the Akan constituency.
Yeah.
That area they produce a lot of ginger. But ginger do you know starting now you talk ginger full bag, a bit 300, 400, 600, in the only 2,500. So we must look at the sustainability of this program. So one number produces ginger and they'll continue to produce. So omen to me and twa, we change it to another, we add value to it. Into those political financiers, their appetite, their appetite for foreign business, now very high. So they need a lot of education. That how do we turn this our business into local business? These importers, they can finance even poultry farmers. Say me will cost I want about for the whole of this year. Me here say 40 footer container by 20. Now me here per calculation production say next year into this region would me man ni passe. They can also go into business because when you go into business to empower the youth, empower the producers. Also so banya sika but Ghana for many times when you say the political cannibalism who say political party be bad na obi juma akoswa na wa destroy no and the fear and panic and they share Ghana businessman and rich people
eti kwantu no person producing economy say me
yes
mamenya kitua bi
yes that is it. The time has come say resetting should allay this fear from a Ghanaian rich man who has the money. Let us support everybody. Na onususu baby in the field of production no fan sika en fan sheho na yen produce sa usra fa sika no fa ministry so na aban mom no onji sika no to support that production. Ye we are udi sa chicken no ye dress no a one of be dress kra nya djuma na di ko go container na wo release e the amount customers. It is time for all hands on deck because in 2020
yes we need because me can say feed Ghana feed Ghana or man penya launch here say yes na feed Ghana no aso abade amaye na fe ye tomatoes e buni ade but still na ye import tomatoes ye hweman kofo eze troria ye bi ene na ama na Burkina Faso who say Nigeria for diamo 2019 after obina bumper harvest and na Buhari two omo border mu say ye hwema obi amfa emo mba bewura Nigeria ese yesu se nya da political bill so ye na so na ye kokra ayi tomato 36.1 million dollars yeah abda ye betimi akomada ho abofo epoalugu ni
because during Nkrumah time now you were tomato factory you were meat factory you were sugar factory so all these things Ghana for mesrema midima no sino muma yen kambum lawyer mini wo de ye nsa kabo ya kabum dada nti enfa other political members players me see the NDC appointees. Once you are appointed, see every Ghanaian as one who is going to help Ghana to develop, but not from a political party. Give everybody an opportunity for Ghana to grow.
Okay.
Lawyer, Major.
All right.